Hey buddy, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to share you how to master speaking Chinese in a short amount of time. In last lesson, I shared the 3 stages of the learning Chinese, which are get familiar with Pinyin, understand the 4 tones of Chinese Pinyin, read Pinyin, and understand Chinese characters. We are currently in the first stage, diving deep into learning how to read Pinyin. Chinese Pinyin has 6 simple vowels. Do you remember what vowels do? They control how Chinese characters sound. In this lesson, we will start with 3 simple vowels. Before we begin, head to my YouTube channel, find the post right here, and download the Pinyin writing chart. This is the same chart my son used when learning at school. Teachers give students these practice books to write and get familiar with the vowels. I suggest printing it out and grabbing a pen. I will read through all the vowels with their 4 tones first. Then we will read and write together, just like this. Let's get started. The first simple vowel is A. Start by writing the left semicircle. Then add the vertical curve on the right to complete. Like love. Want to try it again? Print out a few copies over the chart. Get in the right mode and start practicing. For the first tone of A, write the letter. Then add the tone mark, a flat horizontal line. Follow me. A. For the second tone, write the letter. Then add a rising line at about a 45-degree angle to the top right. Follow me. A. For the third tone, write the letter. Then add a V-shaped mark. Start from the top left, go down, then up at a 45-degree angle to the right. Follow me. A. Perfect. You have mastered the first simple vowel. Next, the second simple vowel is O. This one is easy. Just one stroke. Think of it as a slim cycle. Let's write it with the 4 tones. First tone, O. Second tone, O. Third tone, O. Fourth tone, O. See? Finally, the fourth tone is easy. It's like the third tone, but without the right part. Write the letter, then a sharp falling line. Follow me. A. Learning Chinese with me is pretty easy, right? If you need a break, pause the video, go have fun for 5 minutes, and come back. But if you're ready to 永不放弃, you know what that means? Never give up. Let's keep going. The last simple vowel for this lesson is The trick to pronounce it is to pull your tongue back slightly, curl it, position it in the middle of your mouth, tighten it, and push the sound out with your breath. For Chinese kids, this is easier because words like swan or white goose in Chinese use the sound, so it feels familiar. Let's say it 3 times. No, let's write it. Start with a short line from left to right, but don't leave it open. Curve upward to form a semicircle. Meet the starting point, then draw an open semicircle downward. Take it slow, like this, 1 stroke down. That's the simple for let's add the tones. First tone, second tone, third tone, fourth tone, and that's it for this lesson. Make sure to practice reading and writing. Alright, I encourage you to take a photo of your practice writing the 3 simple vowels. Share it in the comments and document your progress. Keep at it, and per sentence will lead to victory. I'm 芒果道长, a novelist teaching spoken Chinese, and our motto is 永不放弃. See you next time.